Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today we're gonna do the basics of mathematics because later on in the channel we're gonna do some complex convoluted problems. So in order to understand those mind-boggling problems, we need to know the fundamentals of mathematics. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do the percentages, ratios and proportions. So before jump to the problem, let's understand this first. For example, if we are given 60% and if we need to convert this 60% to fraction, how are we gonna do this? First of all, understand what is the meaning of percentage. So the percentage means out of 100. So if we apply this logic here, 60%, and if you need to convert 60% to fraction, so just divide 60 by 100 and simplify it. So that comes out to be 3 by 5 fraction. And if you need to convert this fraction to percentage, the vice versa, so just multiply it by 100, and if we simplify this, it comes out to be 60%. So now move to this first example. And so if there are 27% of the books in the library are hardcover, and if there are 7200 books in the library, so what we need to find out, how many books are hardcover. So what we are given is total books, that is 7200. So out of 7200 books, so 27% are hardcover. So 27% out of 7200 are hardcover. And so that means we can write it down this as 27% of 7200. So 27 over 100, and off mean multiply. So if we simplify this, the answer comes out to be 1944 books. So that means 1944 books in the library are hardcover, and which is 27% of total books. Let's move to example 2. 60% of students have pets at home. If 21 students have pets at home, how many students are there in the class? So what we need to find out, how many total students are there in the class. So what we are given is 60% have pets at home. So that means 60% out of 100% have pets at home, and what we can deduce that 40% they don't have pets at home. And also we are given 21 students have pets at home, which is 60% of the total. So let's calculate the students, those who do not have pets at home. So how are we gonna find out? We're gonna follow the unit approach, like the unit method. So the 60% of the students have pets at home, which are 21, and 40% of the students, those who do not have pets at home. So how are we going to calculate it? 21 into 40 divided by 60, which is 14. So that means 14 students are those who do not have pets at home, and So the 21 are those who have pets at home. So how are we gonna find out the total students in the class? 21 plus 14, which is 35. So that means there are 35 students in the class. Now we're gonna learn how to convert minutes to seconds. Off note, that means which is very important. So for example, if we are given a heartbeat, just a random number. So 1260 beats per minute. And if we need to convert it to seconds, so how are we gonna find out? If there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, and if we simplify this, 21. So that means 21 beats per second. So our next example is 24 cartons of milk are for $30.99, and if there is 15% discount, what is unit price? So what we are given is 24 cartons of the milk are sold for $30.99, and if there is a discount of 15% on $30.99, what is the unit price? So that we need to find out. Means what is the price for one carton? So like the 24 cartons have $30.99 price, and there's a 15% discount. So that means 15% off $30.99. So we can write it down as 31 by rounding off. So if we simplify this, it comes out to be $465. That means there's a discount of $465 on 24 cartons of milk. So like after discounting, so our actual price will be $30.99 minus $465, which is $26.35. But what we need to find out the price of one carton. So if this is a price of 24 cartons, and the price of one carton will be 26 divided by 24, that comes out to be 110 per carton. So our last example is 3/7 of cupcakes are vegan, and what we need to find out, what is the ratio of vegan cupcakes to non-vegan. So before solving this problem, we need to know first the maximum value of fraction is 1. Likewise, if we talk about percentages, the maximum value is 100%. So now jump to solution part. So what we are given is 3/7 of the cupcakes that are vegan. So that means 3/7 out of 1, which is the maximum value, is vegan. And let's calculate the non-vegan cupcakes first. So as we know that the maximum value of fraction is 1, so 1 minus 3/7, that comes out to be 4/7. And what we need to find out, what is the ratio of vegan cupcakes to non-vegan. So we need to put vegan in the numerator and non-vegan in the denominator. So put these values here. So 3/7 is the vegan and 4/7 is the non-vegan. So if we simplify this, the answer comes out to be 3/4. So 3/4 is the ratio.